On Wednesday, the Journalists in Extreme Conditions NGO organized a public debate on the problems with the payment of targeted social assistance. According to economist Mehmet Talıblı, the situation in this sphere is not encouraging. Talıblı said that the number of people who received social aid in 2006 was 122,000. Now the number has increased to 750,000. In 2006, allocations from the state budget for this purpose amounted to 39 million manat, and in 2011 it equaled to 548 million manat. This is contrary to the government's statement on the reduction of the poverty. Officially, the minimum cost of living is 102 manat. However, alternative estimates find this figure to be 168 manat. There are some problems with getting the social benefits. State officials in charge ask for too many documents that make you eligible for the assistance. In addition, officials ask for bribes from citizens for the provision of social assistance, he said. According to expert Natik Jaferli, social benefits are assigned based on former Soviet model. The truth in the statement on Azerbaijan's poverty reduction from 49% to 7.8% over the past 10 years is also doubtful. It is not right to deny social assistance to the families just because they have an old car or land plot. The participants proposed to change the existing mechanisms for the assignment of social benefits in order to achieve progress in the relevant area.